If you create presentations for school, business, YouTube, or client work, you already know that static slides are no longer enough. In 2026, attention spans are shorter than ever, and boring PowerPoints simply don't work anymore. That's where AI presentation animation makers come in. But which one is actually the best PPT presentation animation AI maker right now? Today, we're breaking it down in a simple way so you can decide which tool fits your needs. First, let's talk about what makes a great AI presentation animation tool. It needs to automatically design slides, generate content from a prompt, add smooth transitions, animate text and elements intelligently, and most importantly, save you time. If it takes hours to fix what AI created, then it defeats the purpose. The best PPT presentation animation AI maker. One of the strongest tools in this space right now is Beautiful.ai. It's designed specifically for smart slide formatting. You add your content, and the AI adjusts the layout automatically. It's clean, professional, and great for business presentations. However, when it comes to heavy animation, it's more subtle and corporate rather than flashy. Another major player is Tome. Tome is more storytelling focused. You can literally type a prompt like create a startup pitch deck for a fintech company, and it builds the entire structure for you. It includes AI-generated visuals and smooth transitions. It's excellent for modern web-style presentations, especially if you're presenting online. Now, if you're looking for something more dynamic and creative, Canva AI is extremely powerful. Canva allows you to generate presentations from a prompt, and then you can easily add animations, motion effects, transitions, and even AI-generated images or videos. It's beginner-friendly but still powerful enough for advanced creators. For many people in 2026, Canva is the most balanced option between automation and creative control. For more advanced animation-style presentations, especially for YouTube or marketing videos, tools like Gamma are gaining popularity. Gamma creates scroll-based animated presentations that feel more like a website than a traditional PowerPoint. It's modern, interactive, and designed for engagement. So which one is the best? If you want corporate and clean, go with Beautiful.ai. If you want storytelling with AI-generated structure, Tome is great. If you want flexibility, animations, and ease of use, Canva AI is probably the best all-around choice. If you want modern, scroll-based animated decks, Gamma is worth exploring. The truth is, the best PPT presentation animation AI maker depends on what you're creating. For business meetings, keep it clean. For YouTube or social media, add motion and visual energy. For client pitches, balance automation with customization.ai. Presentation tools are not here to replace creativity. They are here to speed up the boring parts so you can focus on the message. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which presentation tool you're currently using in 2026. I'd love to know which one works best for you.